Tutorial 15. Let's start a new sketch on the top plane. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about the convert entities, an important and time-saving tool in sketching. So to let you understand the convert entities working, we can try make some different examples. Let's try first make a sketch here. Can be any kind of sketching. So we have this sketch done. So let's exit from that sketch. So we have sketch 1, and let's try to make a sketch 2 on the top plane 2. So we have top plane, insert a sketch the same plane as sketch 1. And now if we have to make the same sketch as in sketch 1, either to start from scratch, draw lines and follow the paths. If you have complicated sketch, it can be not easy work to do, but you can do that in just few clicks. So you can select these lines and then convert entities. So now we have two sketching that they are lying on each other. So maybe it's quite unlogical they're having two sketching in the same plane, but it is an example to show you how to convert entities, because it should have, in logical cases, you can be two planes parallel to each other and you want to make the same sketch on two different planes parallel together. But we still didn't take the lesson about inserting planes and drawing on reference planes, but this is the idea how you can use the convert entities to convert an existing sketch instead of drawing it from scratches. So let's exit this sketch. So we have two sketching laying on each other. So if you press that and click hide, so you have the second sketch still there. So also you can convert entities if the second sketch on a different plane parallel to the sketch. For example, we have that sketch on the top plane. Let's make the sketch on front plane. So we are inserting a sketch. Let's make it normal too. Now you are able to select these lines and convert them to sketch. Convert entities. Now let's rotate a little bit here. So now you have that projected line which represent the converted entities from sketch 1. So this is another example. And now also let's show a different example. Let's extrude one of the sketches here. Okay, now let's just insert a sketch here. We didn't take that lesson, but let's quickly do it. If you select that face, you have the sketch or insert sketch in that plane. Now you are able to select these lines, or even you can select chain, convert entities. So you have these selected lines converted. So let's Ctrl C, select them again, convert entities. So you have that sketch on that face, on that 3D face. Let's exit. Let's try to hide the extruded or solid face. Now you can see you have two parallel sketches to each other.